How to locate your advisees in Alliant CampusKey, December 3rd, 2020. Info Center's at the top left. Click on Advisor Info Center. Notice that for Darrell Barnes, this is me, that I have 5 pages of 20 students with many more following. I think there's 12 or 13 pages, so 240, 250 students. Well, those are not the advisees that I personally am responsible for. Those are the advisees that I've interacted with apparently since a while back. So, how do I know my advisees now? Well, the term is fall 20 here. Let's pick term here. Notice that I only have 2 pages now. That is much more manageable. If I click over to spring of 2021, it even only has 1 page there. So if I want to interact with the students that I'm kind of currently ending with fall of 20, let's go back to fall of 2020. There are 2 pages. There are roughly 40 students that I am responsible for at this moment in time.